Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. In last class we discussed our chapter and word files. Now today we discuss remaining word files and question answers. So first of all write down word file. Okay, up to 15 we completed. Now next we 16th is ditches. Ditches means ponds. Ditches means ponds. Next is impassable. Impassable means impossible to travel. Impossible to travel along or cross over. Along or cross over. Next is depressing. Depressing is causing a feeling of dejection, or low spirits. Causing a feeling of dejection or low spirits. Next is soothing. Soothing is gently calm. Soothing is what? Gently calm. Next, 20 is insured. Insured is made sure. Made sure. Next is apt. Apt is what? Appropriate. Apt is appropriate. Consoled is comforted at a time of grief. Comforted at a time of grief. Next is muted. Muted is quite. Muted is quit. Quit. Next is successor. A person, thing that comes next in line higher. Next in line higher. Clear? And our last one is last is 25 is parting. Parting, the action of leaving or being separated. The action of leaving or being separated from something. Being separated from someone, sorry. Clear? So these are the 25 word files. Okay, you all note down in your fair notebook. After that we discuss our question answers. Clear? So everyone open your notebook and complete these 25 word files, and you all listen carefully. 6th class, listen carefully. In your exam, chapter 2nd, poem and chapter 3rd. These 3 chapters will come in exam. So you all prepare for word files as well as question answers. Clear? And question answers come from between also. So everyone will learn day by day word files also, because there are so many word files are there and question answers are also many. So everyone be prepared for next exam. I think your next exam will start it from 20th January. Clear? So everyone start learning work from today, and I think that exam will be organized offline. Is that clear? So everyone learn word files, all word files carefully. Clear? Now everyone open your notebook, and it means next we discuss question answers orally. So orally question answers. Clear? So, first of all, question number 1. Write down question number A, orally questions. Orally questions. Question number A is what? Why did the postmaster come to live in Ullaipur from Calcutta? So answer is, the postmaster came to live in Ullaipur when a post office was established thereby the owner of an indigo factory. Question number 2 is, who used to do odd jobs for the postmaster? Answer second is, Ratan, an orphan girl of the village did odd jobs for the postmaster. Clear these two questions? Number third is, question number third is, how was the village affected by incessant rains? First is, why did the postmaster come to live in Ullaipur from Calcutta? Answer is, the postmaster came to live in Ullaipur when a post office was established there by the owner of an indigo factory. Who used to do odd jobs for the postmaster? Ratan, an orphan girl of the village, did odd jobs for the postmaster. Third question is, how was the village affected by incessant rains? With the incessant rains, the canals and ditches overflowed. And the village roads had become impassable. Clear? With the incessant rains, the canals and ditches overflowed and the village roads had become impassable. Clear? Now, question number 4. Was the postmaster delighted to receive his transfer jobs delighted to receive his transfer orders. What did he tell Ratan about his plans after he got them? The postmaster was delighted. The postmaster was delighted to receive. The postmaster was delighted to receive his transfer orders. Delighted to receive his transfer orders. He told Ratan that he had to leave the next day to go back home, and that he was not coming back. Fifth question is, what is indicated by the word idea? What is indicated by the word idea? The postmaster said this to Ratan. The postmaster said this to Ratan. The word idea suggests that it was not a thought that was acceptable to the postmaster. He found it amusing. Clear? Question number 6 is, now again listen questions 4 and 5th. Was the postmaster delighted to receive his transfer orders? What did he tell Ratan about his plans after he got them? So, answer is, the postmaster was delighted to receive his transfer orders. He told Ratan that he had to leave the next day to go back home and that he was not coming back. Next is, what is indicated by the word? What is indicated by the word idea? By the word idea. I don't write here idea. Okay. So, the postmaster said this to Ratan. The word idea suggests that it was not a thought that was accepted to the postmaster. He found it amusing. Question number 6 is, did the idea have any effect on the speaker? Answer is, Ratan's reaction. This is reaction. Ratan's reaction to the idea. Made the postmaster realize her grief, her grief and he wished then to console her, and he wished then to console her. Clear? Did the idea have any effect on the speaker? Ratan's reaction to the idea made the postmaster realize her grief and he wished then to console her. Here your orally question answers are completed. Clear? Now next we do tick the correct option. Okay? Next we do tick the correct options, and after we discuss our long questions. So everyone note down this first. Now next is listen, tick the correct option carefully. First question is what? The postmaster felt new and strange at Olapur. It means what? It means that, so question number B, first answer is B. And what is the answer? He thought the village was a strange place to live in. A strange place to live in. Clear? Second question is, in order to while away his time, the postmaster wrote verses and mixed with the workers at the indigo plantation. Third question is what? Third is, Ratan mastered all the alphabet shows that answer A, she was intelligent and was keen to learn to read and write. Clear? This is your third question. Next question is what? For a moment, the postmaster thought of going back to the village too. For a moment, the postmaster thought of going back to the village too. Its answer is B. Bring Ratan along with him. Clear? So these are the tick the correct options. Okay. So everyone again listen these questions. This also you do in fair notebook, because from this also question come in exam. So first question is what? Question listen again. The postmaster felt new and strange at Ulapur. It means that he thought the village was a strange place to live in. Second question is, in order to while away with his time, the postmaster wrote verses and mixed with the workers at the indigo plantation. Third, Ratan mastered all the alphabet shows that she was intelligent and she was keen to learn to read and write. Fourth, for a moment the postmaster thought of going back to the village too. Bring Ratan along with him. So these are the orally and tick the correct option. Now question number C, answer the following questions we discuss in next class. So thank you and have a nice day, and start learning all chapters. Again and again I request you, start learning all word files clearly, because exam will be I think offline also. So thank you.